What's going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick video of what I picked up from O'Reilly's. They are electronic items. One should be a charging cable, the other one should be an audio cable. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I went to O'Reilly's and picked up a couple items. First item I picked up is this 8-foot mono to mono 3.5mm audio cable. And I picked that one up. It's an 8-footer. And I've been using these ToughTested cables for probably now 10 plus years. And I've only had one ever die on me. And that wasn't this style braided one. It was actually the older style. So the braids on these cables are a lot tighter. The strain relief is a lot longer on these cables. Both of these cables have the exact same style. It's the newer cable style. The older cable style was actually cloth, where these are actually netting, metal netting wrapped around the cable. So this one right here is just another 8-footer USBC to USB-A. I buy these cables a lot. I actually have another one sitting over here on my printer. They were doing deals on these cables. Here's the other one. These two are exactly the same. They do deals on these cables every once in a while, where this cable is usually 29 bucks. They did a deal where I got both of these on 2 different occasions for, I think it was like $14, something like that. So that's why I picked up another one, because this one was actually $10, which is actually pretty nice. Because I remember buying these at $30 and buying 6 or 7 of them at a time. Because I actually put 2 to 4 of these in each vehicle at all times. I've got kids. You know, most of you guys that watch the channel know that I have 6 kids. My wife, me. But some of my kids are little. They don't have, you know, electronic devices or anything like that when it comes to, like, you know, phones or, you know, my little kids do have like Game Boys and stuff like that, which I let them use my old school Game Boys, which they do not use these cables. I also let my kids use the Nintendo 3DSs and stuff that are for the older kids, to keep them entertained. But I picked this up because I also picked up a smaller 4-footer, and this is an 8-footer. Not sure which one would be more realistic inside the 1997 limited 4x4. That stereo, it's a single DIN, one of those, I think it's a JVC or a Kenwood stereo. The truck has Fosgate speakers in it, which are bumping speakers. It's just that stereo, whoever installed it, they didn't install the Bluetooth module. They didn't buy the Bluetooth module, whatever it was. So the Bluetooth feature doesn't physically pick up anything. There's no signal being sent from the stereo. My phone can't find it. So I just figured it does have a 3.5mm port. I might as well just, get some cables and figure out which ones I want to use in the truck. And, just go the cheap route, spend 50 bucks on cables and have extra cables laying around than spending $1,000 or $2,000 on a touch screen navigation stereo at the moment. My phone, usually, even in my touch screen navigation systems, like my 2000 Limited and my 2000 SR5 and my 2005 Excursion, they all have the AVIC 8200 NEX from Pioneer. I use the Bluetooth on my phone, and I usually just play like Slacker Radio or Apple Radio and stuff like that, because you can actually turn the announcers and stuff off and the commercials off. I usually don't listen to the Sirius XM anymore, but I figured, well, you know, it wouldn't be bad. You know, I spent, I think it was like $200 total, but that wasn't, you know, it wasn't $200 with these two. This is like 60, 80 bucks right here, I think, if I remember correctly. You know, these are the expensive ones. This one was like 20 bucks. This one was, I think, 10. 14 and $6 or $8. And then I went to a couple other stores and picked up some more name brand stuff, like Samsung branded stuff. But I also bought tools that day and bought some stuff that my wife wanted at Tractor Supply and a couple other things you guys will see in upcoming videos. But these I'm not going to take out of the package right now. I've showed these on probably dozens of videos. These are great cables. I hope that O'Reilly's keeps carrying them, because I've noticed a couple O'Reilly's, they're on sale like 80% off, like maybe they're getting rid of them. And I just, for some reason, these are only like $1 or so more expensive than buying from my local Speedway gas station, and those cables are not as nice as these. And I've bent these, I fold them, I actually crease them, put them in between seats, run them, you know, in a specific manner across the floor in vehicles, and you know, they've been stomped on, they've been physically drugged by my feet out of the vehicle. I've closed a couple doors on them. I've never ever had the cables ever fail. The only one that failed was the older style that had just the fabric covering, and those it failed at the head because the strain relief was only like 1/16 of an inch. Maybe it was a little more. Maybe it was about, I think it was closer to about 1/4 an inch, where these are almost an inch on the strain relief. The older ones was literally just like my finger wide. It's about 1/4 inch. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just another video from O'Reilly's where I picked up some ToughTested cables. They're great cables. They have a 5-year warranty. Even if they fail after 5 years, I contacted ToughTested, told them I had one of their older cables that finally just failed with the old style fabric wrap, and they sent me a new cable, no questions asked. So even though that cable was like, I think it was like 9.5 years old when it finally failed, it was well over the 5-year warranty. They replaced it anyways. They're a great company. Go check them out. That's all I got for you guys today. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all have a safe, awesome rest of your day. Peace!